am about to show you a toy hauler. It is a bumper pool. It is a new 2024 and it is beautiful. It's stunning. It's a shorter bumper pool, but still just as elegant. I absolutely love it. It is a Stryker. I'm not sure if y'all have heard of this, but I love the Strykers. So I want to show you, let me go out to the front so I can show you the outside and you guys tell me. Stryker, let's see what it is. It is the 2314 model. That is the model number. All right, so you see you got your long awning, and then of course you are you can call it whatever you know, garage door, my patio. But you've got that back here that you would pull down and load up your toys, or if you don't have a toy, you use it as a patio. But let's take a look inside. All right. So, like I said, it is a shorter one, but again, still absolutely beautiful. You walk in, and by the way, first and foremost, these chairs are the most comfortable chairs I've ever sit in. I mean, I absolutely love these chairs. I love, love, love. All right, so I love this curved wall. You don't see it very often, but when you do, I think it's a beautiful accent to, I mean, especially an RV. So I absolutely love it. You've got a nice size fridge here. You got your entertainment and your counter. Nice big sink over here and plenty of storage, on both sides actually. So plenty of area. Plus you can come all the way up for your toy, depending, of course, you want to measure, but you can come all the way up to this area to pull up a toy. And then, of course, you've got this area back here that you can also use. You've got these that are electric. They pull down, they go down. You've got some benches that you can have, maybe a table down here, and then you've got another bed that is quite large as well. That you got, kids coming over. You've got grandkids, you got friends that need a place to stay. That is a perfect option to pull that down, and then they have a nice little bed. You've got your back door, which has got, not only does it have the screen, but it has the window, so if you want to let a little air in to, let it flow in, you can absolutely do that, or put the windows up and you do not have to let the AC in, out. So it's always nice. But when you put down that garage door or whatever you want to call it, it does have a gate or fence that goes around it as well. So that's why I absolutely love toy haulers. Is I don't have a toy, but I love the fact that I can make it into a patio and that I have the option to open this or leave it shut, allowing my AC to completely be fully on and stay cool in here or stay heated in here no matter what. So I absolutely love that. Now you got a 3-burner, you got an oven, and you got a microwave. You got, again, everything that you could possibly need in this little unit. All right, and I love the windows. I love windows, period. So let's take a look right here. This is going to be your restroom, and again, another great size. I mean, it's nice and big, nice and tall too. You got a very big mirror, nice sink, and plenty of space here to have a seat. There's no worry about room. And then you got a nice big master bedroom with 2 doors as well. You can walk on either side, so plenty of room. You can hang up your clothes. You can you've got enough storage on both sides, and you have cubbies as well. This is a nice big bed, and I'm sure you've got plenty of stuff to go underneath as well. So very nice area. But again, let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's a cute little unit again, and you would have everything that you need when you go out there. So let me know what you think. I love the fact that you can put these anywhere. So say you do have family over, you can pull down the benches, have a couple seats here. I mean, the sky's the limit in this unit. So you guys let me know what you think. If you want more information, you know how to reach me. My information's below. And then, of course, you can come up and see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel.